In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under trade association. I'm going to focus on the start topic, meaning and functions. However, about 18 to 20 questions to practice. So let's get started. The first question here says, an association formed by computer distributors to safeguard and promote their interests is a trade association. Alright, options A, the right answer to this question. Let's put the question. This one, it says, the main objective of a trade association can best be described as promoting and protecting common interests, customers' interest. They put the market. Right answer is option A, common interest. Next question. The coming together of consumers to protect their rights is referred to as consumerism. Okay, option C. Next question. It says, which of the following maxims negate the principle of collective bargaining? Collective bargaining covers the vast majority of employees, whether union members or not. Individual employees attain strength when they come together in union. Only members of the union can benefit from agreement negotiated by the union. Individual employees have weak bargaining base. The right answer is option D. Okay, so this is a maxim and again a principle of collective bargaining. Next question. One of the functions of trade association is to provide loans to members, provide employment for members, promote members' welfare, pay members' salary. The right answer is option C, promote members' welfare. Next question. The main objective of trade association is to, I think this is a replay question. Okay, no, it's not. Protect its members against victimization, secure credit for its members, protect its members against litigation, boost the trade of its members. Right answer is option D here. To boost the trade of its members. Next question. A group of sellers who pool their resources buy goods in large quantities and sell to its members is a wholesale cooperative society. Option D. Next question. The promotion of saving culture is a feature of the thrift cooperative society. Option D. Take notes. Okay, next question. It says the major function of trade association is that it helps to promote foreign trade, facilitate members access to credit facilities, licenses with foreign trade, helps to promote research on behalf of members. The right answer is option D here. Helps to promote research on behalf of members. Next question. The difference between Chamber of Commerce and trade association is that the former, which is Chamber of Commerce, is now restricted to a particular industry. This is the right answer, option A. Okay, next question. This one says, in Nigeria, the ministry in charge of registering trade association is that of the Ministry of Industries. Option D. Okay, next question says the pooling of business information for the benefit of members is a function of we have pressure group, trade association, culture group, trade unions. So guys, the right answer to this question is option B, trade association. Next question says which of the following is a function of employers association? Promotion of thrift in workers, dissemination of information through sponsored journals, promotion of workers' welfare, undertaking research on behalf of employees. The right answer is option C, promotion of workers' welfare. Next question. Which of the following is not a function of consumer association? Showing that consumers buy quality goods, penalizing importers of fake goods, educating consumers on their rights, ensuring that fair prices are charged. Right answer is option B. This is an exception. Okay, penalizing importers of fake goods. Next question says the Manufacturer Association Nigeria is an example of a pressure group. Okay, option A. Next question says the primary objective of trade association is to establish easy link with government and undertake research work on behalf of members, operate as a group against other groups, exchange information and negotiate as a pressure group. Okay, the right answer is option D. Next question. Which of the following organizations represent those who engage labor in Nigeria? So Nigeria Union of Local Government of Employees, Nigeria Labour Congress, Manufacturer Association Nigeria, Nigeria Employers Consultative Association. The right answer is option D. Okay, next question. A major function of trade association is to foster cooperation among members, establish a link among members, help individuals to set up small business, assist members to buy cars. So the right answer is option A, to foster cooperation among members. Next question. The main objective of a trade association can be best described as promotion and protecting common interest. Option D. This is the last question for end this video. It says The association that comprises all types of business refers to as Chamber of Commerce. Option B. So that is basically can be problems involving meaning and functions of trade association. For the JAMB Commerce of Practice, about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting for the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share, and comment of this video. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and you should give a response. Also, you should be part of the channel membership by clicking on the button where you'll be getting paid information. I help you to stay like a JAMB and other necessary writing. Because having done this, click on the next button. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.